Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome back with lesson number 6, that is picture description. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of the lesson, you would be able to describe a picture by using the vocabulary given and by adding some verbs. What is a picture description? Think about it. In a picture description, you see a picture and you write about it. It means that you describe a picture in picture description. The question comes, how will you describe a picture? We describe a picture by looking it carefully, using present tense, using action verbs, using nouns and using adjectives. You all are familiar with all these terminologies. Now look at this picture. How will you describe a picture? Yes, there is a boy, there is a girl. They are talking. There are clouds. There are blue skies. There are boys wearing a brown cap. And a girl has short hairs. Very good. Well done. You have just described a picture. Now let's look at this home task. There is a picture. You have to describe this picture with the help of these words: sky, moon, friend, campfire, wood, marshmallow, talk, wear, tent. Don't forget to WhatsApp your homework at 0302 9861702. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. I'll wait for your home task. Bye bye.